special flight from the United States that has reached India carrying ventilators, medicine and other devices to support India to manage COVID-19 crisis. The aircraft that has arrived at Delhi's IGI airport, MEA spokesperson has put out a tweet that reads, and I quote, "This is the second such aircraft that has arrived in a short span of a few hours. Grateful to flag off United States for this timely and quick mobilization of medical support." Cutting across to Shivani, who's with me on the phone line. Shivani, give us details of what all has arrived and what more has the MEA divulged?
So, Aisha, this is the second flight that has arrived in India today. And we know that one such flight had landed in Delhi in early morning today, which carried 423 oxygen cylinders and regulators and other medical supplies from the United States. And this is the second flight which has landed now in Delhi. And it has 7 lakh rapid testing kits. It has more oxygen cylinders. It has ventilators and vital medical supplies that are coming in from United States. So this is the second flight in a day which has arrived from United States. And we know that United States has extended a helping hand to India, and it has been sending oxygen concentrators which had already arrived 2 days back to India. And this is the continuous help that India is getting not only from United States but many other countries of the world. We have been receiving help from Singapore, Thailand, Japan, and United States is now sending these batches of different the flights in which the vital medical kits are reaching India. So that would be a great relief for India, and also the MEA is quite grateful as every time the flight reaches, the MEA is acknowledging with the tweet and extending thankfulness to United States.
Oh yes, Shivani, and this indeed is required at a tough time like this when India is battling the second wave of the pandemic. Several nations that have come to the rescue that include US, UK, France, Germany and US now extending help. We stay with those pictures of the special flight that has arrived from the US that is carrying ventilators, medicine and other devices to support India in this tough time. Shivani, tell us more. What are the plans from now onwards, as in other flights to also arrive? And is there any particulars that have been decided in terms of how many other oxygen support machines or drugs we carried from US?
Swesha, we know that over 600 oxygen concentrators had to come to India, and in the first lot, 300 oxygen concentrators had already reached India on Tuesday. Now we've seen 423 more oxygen cylinders with regulators, other medical supplies. They have reached India. And in the second flight which has come today, Swesha, we've seen how 7 lakh rapid testing kits have come to India, because we know that a lot of labs in India are out of the raw materials required for the test. So this is what we have received till now, but many more such equipment, such medical supplies will keep coming to India from the United States, and from UK also we'll be receiving more ventilators. We know that 100 ventilators and 95 concentrators have already reached India from United Kingdom, and from Singapore we've already received the empty cryogenic oxygen tankers. From Thailand also we've received. From Japan also we are receiving such help. So from United States we have received these 3 lots, 3 batches of different flights, and this is an ongoing process. Many more concentrators have to reach India in the coming days, and from many countries across the globe, we know that our Indian Air Force C-17 aircraft are also ferrying the empty cryogenic oxygen tankers, because there's a dearth of oxygen in the country. So to make these supplies convenient to all those medical facilities, tankers are also being brought in. And from United States, we are getting these ventilators, rapid testing kits, concentrators. So hundreds of more concentrators have to reach India from United States, Suesha. And from other countries also, this help will keep pouring in as we are witnessing since last few days.